Hello students, how are you? Hope you have successfully completed your PU second year examinations, right? Right, very good. So now this is the time you are thinking where to join your crash course for your Kcet, NEET, BSc Agri examinations and all, correct? So I want to provide here one of the best solution where you have to join, how to utilize the organization and how to crack your competitive examinations. Okay, so before I provide the correct solution to you, first let me check ourselves some questions that are coming in our mind. So is it really coaching is required, or can we prepare with my self preparation and all, right? So here the best answer is, in your college already if you have attended any long term coaching from your PU first year and second year along with the board syllabus, competitive examination coaching and all, then attending crash course is only a choice for you. You may choose, you may not choose, that is your wish. But if you don't have any long term coaching in your college and not attended anywhere, then in that situation definitely if you choose a crash course it would be better. Why? The reason is self preparation within a span of 25 to 30 days gap, it is difficult as a student. Why? Because you don't know exactly which book you have to follow and how many hours you have to prepare, you don't know what exactly you have to prepare in each chapter and what exactly you have to filter which is exactly suitable for competitive, which concept, that clarity you don't have in your mind. And tests, mock tests, chapter wise tests, you yourself cannot practice by sitting at your home. So by seeing all these parameters, less number of 25 days to 30 days, but best utilization formula. If you want, better attending a crash course in a best institute. So how to select an institute which is best? How to decide whether it is a best institute or not? So before you join an institute, you ask some questions before you join. What are that? So how many days duration you are conducting classes, and daily morning till evening what timetable you are following. Suppose some institute follow 9 to 6:30, some institute follow 8 to 5, 8 to 4, or half day coaching or half day exams. Different institutes follow different formulas. So first you ask the timing. Morning what time till evening what time they are conducting the classes, and what material they are providing, how many tests they have to conduct. By asking all these questions, and if your mind is accepting that institute is suitable to you, definitely you can take that. And after all that, only institute cannot give you any rank. Your mindset, your hard work, your passion, your clarity on goal will only give you the ability to crack the competitive examination. Institute only within 25 days will give you best support, but that itself cannot create any wonders. You have to take the support, but at the same time your skill and your passion and your hard work only matters, right? This is very important point you have to remember. And before choosing a best institute, let me tell something about our institute. So our institute name is Noble Science Academy, Vijayapura. This is one of the famous institute in the Vijayapura district, Karnataka state, right? If you want to choose Noble Science Academy, what are the highlighted features in the Noble Science Academy, right? So Dr. Sajeev Hugar sir, founder chairman of Noble Science Academy, from almost 12 years giving the best value added education in the board syllabus side as well as competitive examinations. All the faculties are expertised faculties, and these are our diamonds in the previous years achieving medical side. And recently in the last year 2025 through Kcet, he is the person, Mr. Vijayapura, scored 200 out of 200 in the BSc Agri and Veterinary examinations. So these type of marks and quality of education, if you want, definitely you can choose our institute also, one of the best institute once again I can say, right? And these are in the board syllabus side in the 2025 March PU board examination syllabus scored very good percentage through Noble Science Academy, right? So now based on this result, definitely you can choose the crash course in Noble Science Academy also. So what are our futures, right? So we have well experienced master team of faculties. Even if you ask about me, I am an IIT JEE coaching expert in mathematics subject and I am from Hyderabad. Definitely I can give my best subject expertization in mathematics for Kcet crash course. Next, separate hostel facility for boys and girls is there. So you need not to worry where you have to stay. Suppose if you are not from Vijayapura, definitely you can utilize the hostel facility and all the reasonable fee structure we follow, you can best utilize. Next, individual attention and care. Every day we conduct study hours after the classes are over for residential students. In that study hour, we come 1:1 and we clarify all the doubts. We provide some assignments and daily practice like in the form of DPP. We call it as DPP. Through DPP, we take your potential and we identify your spark and we counsel you so that best you can perform in your examination. And regularly tests, because if it is a crash course, if possible daily tests we conduct and a series of mock tests also we will conduct, and day to day you can check your analysis. Only attending tests is of no use. After attending tests, where you are doing mistakes, where you have to get improvement, you have to sit with the faculty. Definitely you have to take the counseling from the faculties. Then only your performance will be improved. You should be connected with the faculty team, then only best utilization you can do. Wherever you join, if you are independently doing something and what you are doing, what you are practicing, if you are not expressing with the faculty, performance may not come. It is just watching a movie and going home like that. So without any doubt, you can choose our institute and take best utilization of the institute. So after doubt clarifying sessions, extra support purpose, we are providing digital classrooms. You can watch any other best performance expertise faculties videos and all for the extra support, right? And the result oriented classes only. I have just told recently these students have scored 200 out of 200 in the BSc Agri practical examination. That type of result oriented coaching if you want, definitely you can choose Noble Science Academy, one of the best institute, right? There are some myths also there in the student's mind. Sir, which book we have to follow? How many books you will really follow? Is there that much time for you is my question. Many of the students purchasing some PYQs book in the market or any study material, any good publication having 5,000 solved problems and all. But my question is, in the crash course time, morning till evening, the time you will spend for listening and writing some practice tests in the academy itself. Here you will get time again to practice that much big books if you purchase. So my suggestion is, instead of purchasing big books in the market, institute will provide some simple and smart material, study material. That material you have to practice, and day to day in the class what we have discussed, that material only again after going home you have to revise once. And PYQs, observe the PYQs and the trend analysis you have to understand from the previous year question papers, and based on that smart preparation. It's not like every chapter 1000 bits you have to prepare. No need. Correctly 50 to 100 bits per chapter if you prepare also, happily you can crack the examination. This is only smart preparation. There only coaching help is required. If you sit at your home by keeping one good publication book, you yourself cannot decide which bit we have to prepare, which concept we have to focus more. With the faculty expertization, faculty help only, you can get this smart preparation. One faculty equal to 100 books of your reference. Can you purchase 100 books and revise by your own? No. But if you believe a faculty and if you are in that mentorship, definitely with the guidance of that faculty, you can crack the examination very easy. So only purchasing book and preparing your own is almost very difficult. I cannot say impossible. If you are that much genius and good intelligent, it may be possible, but most of the students' case, only purchasing book and preparing by your own is very difficult. Right? The second one is daily how many hours you have to prepare. Morning till evening, you will spend your time in the institute only, but after going home, minimum 1 to 1.5 hour per subject you have to spend again to revise the same concept and whatever the tests they conducted and some practice. So minimum 4 to 5 hours again you have to spend after going home. Compulsory you have to prepare. Only attending the institute, blindly depending on the institute itself will not give you any result. That is the myth and this is the fact. Right? Next, only faculty, if it is good, then only we can crack the examination. Of course, very good expertise faculty is required, but this is only a myth, I can say. Only faculty cannot give you any miracles. Faculty is only subject support he will give. By utilizing the subject of that faculty, how much you are utilizing and how much extra practice you are doing, how much innovative doubts you are asking to the faculty to improve your skill. This is the actual thing which will give you the best performance. So only faculty in previously how many ranks he produced, how much a subject he is having, faculties from Bengaluru, Mangaluru, Hyderabad, Dharwad, Hubli. Okay, track record of the faculty will impress you in the initial stage, but if he is an expertized person also, how you are utilizing day to day, how many doubts you are asking, how you are taking the subject and utilizing, this only matters in the crash course. If it is a long-term coaching, even a faculty will have a full scope to give in-depth of the subject and day to day, almost 365 days, or from the first year only if you join, first year, second year, 2 into 365 days, more than 700 days we can have in our hand to mold you. But in the crash course, I may be an expertized faculty, but within 25 days, how much focus on you it is possible. So only faculty cannot do any wonders, right? So don't think much about faculty track record in the crash course. Instead of faculty track record, how you are utilizing the faculty knowledge, that only you focus, right? This is very important. Next, in the examination, only because I joined in one best institute, in the examination I can manage everything, I can get a very good result and all, is again a myth. So examination hall management, on the exam day, how you manage that allotted time in your competitive examination, how you manage that time, right? Almost if you observe the Kcet pattern, each subject 60 bits, all multiple choice questions, no negative marking. Yes, wonderful. But how to manage that 1 minute time almost for one question you have to spend. So how to utilize the time management and how fastly you have to attempt the total question paper. These are so many skills required on the examination day. So because you are attending some mock tests here, that self-analysis will give, and on the examination day, how you have to manage your time, separate counseling sessions we will conduct. Based on that, definitely I can guarantee you, you will definitely improve your skill. And we teach from the basics, from the basics, from the scratch, will induce in your mind the correct subject, what is exactly needed in the Kcet concept. So you don't feel any inferior that I don't have any basics, whether this coaching really can I utilize. Don't keep any doubts. You just come with your dedication and clarity what exactly you want to go in your career. You are aiming for engineering, you are aiming for BSc Agri side, or you are aiming for any biology related. Keep one clear goal in your mind and just come here. Even though you have some good basics, and if you don't have some basics also, we will teach from the scratch, so that in the smart preparation, because of we are all experienced faculties, definitely we will give you the best coaching. I am confident on my faculty team, right? And you question yourself that whether you are really suitable to join Noble Sense Academy. Don't question Noble Sense Academy. For your questions, we may not give answers, but for your answers, we question you, right? So be ready to answer for our questions and choose yourself. Thank you very much. All the best. Come join. Let us rock all together. Thank you.